What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Daily. It's your boy Julio back at it again with his brand new Cam Fox Body Mustang. As you see from the last video, finally got a Cam. I'm so glad. We still got some parts coming in tomorrow. We should install it sometime this week. I don't know when, really. It really just depends when the parts come in, but I'm getting 24 pound fuel injectors, and then I'm also getting a Pro-Am mass meter. Just because the one I had, it's like something like rigged and it just bypasses the computer. It makes it think that it has a stock one on. So I got something that's actually done to go with the fuel injectors. Should install it, go and take it back to Tony to get that done. But as of right now, before we actually get into the video, if you're new to the channel, click that thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. You know, we're gonna be exploring this Fox body car and continue working on it and get ready for more projects. As of right now, one issue I do gotta fix, because I actually got followed by a cop and a lot of people addressed me to this, and I totally forgot about it since it's been at the shop for like 2.5 months. But literally my taillights are white and they're not red, so I'm heading to AutoZone, or I think it's called Auto Parts or whatever. Bought some red taillights, replace them, or red taillight bulbs, and replace the bulbs I have in there right now because they're white, which is really illegal. But yeah, that's what we're gonna go do, and you get to hear the Mustang start up again. So we're gonna head downstairs. Let me get my keys. It's pretty cool. I hit up this company to customize a keychain, and look, I don't know if you see it. It's a daily Shelby GT500. Hit me up if you want one. I can start selling it. It's pretty dope. I like it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head downstairs and get back with you. God damn, look at this beauty. Oh, look at you right there. Let it idle, and if from there we're gonna head to AutoZone, and you can hear the chop. Here it comes. Holy shit! Fucking A, dude, that's crazy. Like I said, I got my whole receipt right here. I plan on making another video about like what everything cost. But holy fuck, this car is chopping. Chop, 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 chop. Once I install my upper intake, or I forgot what I was talking to Connor about, but we plan on it right now. The idle is sitting at about 900 because it's the automatic. The goal is to get it to roughly about 600 once I get a tune, and the chopping should be a whole lot deeper. My roommate just texted me too. He said it sounds like that shit's behind the house. God damn. Holy fuck. So like literally I'm waking up my neighbors, and like I don't know if you saw, but I'm like in the middle of the parking lot because I do leave for work early in the morning, and I don't want to be that guy that wakes up my neighbors. But unfortunately with a Cam car, they just gotta deal with it. But yeah, we're gonna head to AutoZone, buy the new light bulbs. And alright y'all, so I went ahead and bought some LED lights, red 3157R. I bought 2 sets, so I have 4 light bulbs. I should have like the red ones that came with the taillights I bought, but they aren't working, so I don't know if they just were bad, or I think it's just the connection I've had. But who knows. We're gonna go put these on, have LED, they look better. Might as well, 50 bucks. But holy shit, the car, bro. The car is sounding amazing. I got heads turning, people like telling me they like the car and whatnot. And the dude from AutoZone, man, forget him. He do sound like a douche. He's being a prick with me. But yeah, I don't know if you get the chopping, but you can see my car is definitely shaking a whole lot more. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but yeah, it's definitely shaking, or even like the mirror. No, can't really tell. But yeah, like big shout out to Tony. Tony painted like the his son actually painted the upper intake. He painted the gasket covers, and they just did the whole 10 yards. The 2.5 months that they had it was definitely phenomenal. If you're in Oklahoma or you live in a different location, I highly recommend sending them your Fox body Mustang. If you want it to be worked on by like a guru, he's definitely the guy. So yeah, we're heading back home right now, and we're not gonna, I daily. Kind of scared, and I think I'm gonna kind of work it in about a week, just so everything start. I don't know, just like I said, just work things in, see how it feels, and make sure there's no zero issues. And the cool thing too is, like, when Tony was breaking apart my car, he was like, this is probably like one of the healthiest engines he's ever seen. And like I told him, like, the guy before me had it sitting in his front yard for a few years, and then the owners before him, it was just an old married couple. The garage kept it, so like I'm the first guy that's actually gonna be beating on this car and get it to like where it should be at. But yeah, that's where we're at. We're gonna install some of the LEDs, and when we get back home, and I'm gonna get back with y'all in a couple of minutes. God damn, it's just too good to be true. You know, you actually see me yesterday. I was so anxious, just like, oh my god. Hold on. If I could get this one hand. Woo! Look at her. Look at all shiny and pretty. That bitch off before I get in trouble. Holy, now I can talk normal. It's funny. But yeah, so start these bad boys. Let's see. God, I gotta clean my trunk out. But look, these were my equal length headers that I had to take out just because fucking spark plugs were touching it, man. It sucks. I wish I had this actually back on, but apparently they had shorty spark plugs that they make. So I'm gonna get into that next in the summer and put these bad boys back on. This was the like bypass mass meter that they were telling me that wasn't working. Which I guess whoever wants, you can fucking have it or whatnot. But this is the real issue. We're gonna replace the covers, the little lights, man. There we go. Get those out. What's gonna happen is literally just comes right off. Pop on the LEDs, and we're gonna test it out and see what it looks like. So we're gonna get on that real quick. All right, we got those bitches on. Literally, they fit right in. I don't know like if it works either way that you have it in, but it should be good to go. We're gonna turn on the car, turn the lights, and I think we're gonna call it a day. Oh yeah. The only way to find out, turn that bad boy on. Red. That. God damn. Your boy's about to get in so much trouble. This is insane. Woo! Alright, y'all, so that's gonna wrap up the video. Wasn't much, but we had to take care of some little issues because on the way coming from Tony's shop, I got followed by a cop. And like I said, I didn't know about the light bulbs until my roommate told me. So I went and bought new LED light bulbs. It's red, I should be good to go. And that's gonna wrap up the video. If you're watching, thank you for staying tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe. Like the videos, leave a comment, share with your friends. Do what it takes. We're trying to hit 200 by the end of the year. Let's go, keep it going. Coming for you, bro. LOL. Your boy's out. It's good news.